Alright, it is a hot Tuesday afternoon and I'm going to plant some brassicas. I've got some cabbages, I've got some broccoli, got some pak choi that I'm going to look to plant. This is the bed. I'm going to do the cabbages and the pak choi in here. Hopefully there's going to be enough room. This, I've already dug it over. As you can see, it's quite dry, so I've taken some compost from the compost bin. I'm just going to put that on top, and that's going to act as a bit of a mulch onto the bed. Alright, so I've got my compost in and I've laid out my pak choi. I've laid them in a diamond formation, so that's a triangle shape for every 3 plants. I've actually got room for a few more, so I'm going to get a few more probably tomorrow and plant them in. I'll probably do cauliflower this side, and because cabbages grow quite big, I'm going to have that whole half just here dedicated to cabbages. I've got quite a few cabbages to put in as well. Alright, so this is how you plant pak choi, or any plant for that matter. It's a really rough and ready approach, but you dig your hole like that, about a pot step, something like that, and then you take your plant like this. There's some unsightly leaves there, so I might just pick them off. They've been attacked by the slugs. But take your pot, you put your fingers in like that so you can support the plant, and then you squeeze out the pot. And you'll have all that lovely root stock there, and then that just goes in, and then you just surround the plant like that, into the mulch, and then that's it really. And then you've got a few more to do. Before you know it, you've got a whole bed of pak choi. Okay, planting the cabbages now. These actually grow quite big, and so I'm only going to do 4 to a patch, so there's going to be 8 in total in this little patch. Don't forget, whatever you're planting out, give it a good old water in. All in all, this took me about 2 or 3 days to fill up. I've got some broccoli and some Brussels sprouts here, with some lettuce and some kale that was gifted to me by some lovely folks across the way. And I have some, I think these are the cabbages. I've given some extra room for the cabbages, and the cauliflower is here. And last but not least is the pak choi, which is looking a little bit nibbled at, I have to say. I did put some slug pallets down, but they got nibbled at whilst there were seedlings in the shelf. So there you have it, 1 bed filled up.